Great, you got your results. Now here is how you interpret it. The SkinReact report has 3 parts. First, the panel with basic information on top. Here you find the most likely shape of your molecule. Next, you have its formula, physical and chemical properties. You see things like the molecular weight, solubility, and the topological polar surface area. Also, if you are seeing these concepts for the first time, there is more information available for each item. It's the little I in front of them. When you scroll down, we have the actual predictions of skin sensitization. We have 5 AI models predicting skin reactions. They were trained using different molecules and lab techniques that are well known in this field. For these models, the prediction score goes from 0 to 1. 0 is unlikely to cause any sensitization, and 1 is predicted to be extremely reactive in the skin. But remember, being highly reactive molecules, it's not always a bad thing. For example, many topical anesthetics are expected to be exactly like that. Next, we have another AI model predicting skin permeation or penetration rate. This gives you an idea about how likely a compound will go through the skin. Of course, it also depends on other factors like the size of the molecule, the skin layers, and the molecule itself. But this model here gives you a prediction where higher values are associated to a higher penetration rate. With all that said, you can also compare your molecule to thousands of others. For example, molecules used in agriculture, in the cosmetics and pharmaceutical industries. Just scroll down and you will find many histograms, and if you understand one, you will understand all of them. All histograms have 2 informations associated with them. First, which AI model was used to make the predictions. In this case, it was LLNA. Second, which molecules had their sensitization predicted. Here you see the predictions of almost 3,000 molecules used in agriculture, like pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Then there are the peaks. If you scroll your mouse over those peaks, you can see how many % of those molecules had a certain score. For example, here you see that our LLNA model predicted most of these agrochemical to not cause a strong skin sensitization. Finally, the red line is the prediction for your molecule. You will notice that other AI models from SkinReact generated predictions and histograms with different shapes. Take a moment to study each one of them and check where the red lines are. This is how you compare it to other molecules. And these results will help you decide if your molecules have the characteristics you want.